Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Connections right away. Now select Bluetooth and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. If no devices are found, just click on Scan at the top right corner. Then, after clicking on available device, you need to wait for the pop-up and select Pair over here. Lastly, wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!